Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI RTX 4060 Gaming Dukes 3X. So friend, MSI unveiled the RTX 4060 Gaming Dukes 3X graphics card, marking the revival of Duke series. The card, part of MSI's Dark Dragon lineup, target high-end esports enthusiasts and features a design that incorporates carbon fiber elements along with a metallic backplate and an LED dragon soul light aesthetic appeal, and fried is equipped with a triple fan cooling system to manage heat efficiency, and it requires power through a single 8-pin connector with a minimum power supply recommendation of 550 watt, and technical specification of the card include 3072 quad cores and 8 GB of GDDR6 memory operating across a 128-bit memory interface with a speed of 17 Gbps. The card's boost frequency is set at 2460 MHz through users have the option to overclock manually using the MSI Center software, and for connectivity, the RTX 4060 Gaming Duke 3X offers 3 DisplayPort 1.4A outputs and 1 HDMI port, supporting variable refresh rate technology among other features. And friend, the graphics card has been listed MSI's official website. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.